In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to your cart on Alibaba. If you're sourcing products online, the cart is the simplest way to keep items organized while you compare options and get ready to place an order. Start by opening your web browser and heading to alibaba.com. If you have an account, sign in so your cart is saved and synced across devices. If not, you can still follow along and add items for later. At the top of the homepage, you'll see the large search bar. Click into it and type the item you want to find. Be specific with your keywords. Adding details like material, size, or a feature can narrow the results and surface more relevant listings. Next, click the search button or press enter. Alibaba will display a results page with thousands of options. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails. You'll usually see a price range, the minimum order quantity, shipping or delivery notes, and a quick snapshot of the supplier's rating or how many years they've been in business. Pick a product that looks close to what you need and click it to open the full listing. On the product page, check the details carefully. Confirm the exact specifications, available colors or models, and the unit of measure, whether the price is per piece, per set, or per lot. Look at the minimum order quantity and the lead time so you know how many units you must buy and how long production will take. It's also a good idea to glance at the seller's verification badges and trade assurance coverage and read the reviews for real customer feedback. Many listings show shipping estimates or allow you to select your country to preview costs. When everything looks right, choose your variations, select your quantity, and make sure all required options are selected. Now click Add to Cart. If the button is disabled, double check that you've picked a color, size, or other specification, or that your quantity meets the minimum order. After clicking, you'll see a confirmation message or a cart sidebar letting you know the item was added. From here, you can keep browsing and add more items, or view your cart to see the products you've saved, grouped by supplier. That's all it takes. Go to Alibaba, search, choose an item, review the details, and add it to your cart. Thanks for watching and happy sourcing.